Hello friends, good morning. This is how I look when I wake up. I'm not even gonna go wash my face and act like that's how I wake up. I did not take my makeup off last night because I was tired. Today's Saturday, it's 10:36. I have no idea how I slept in this much, but I did. I guess my body was just tired. I'm gonna be doing a college weekend in my life, like, little video for you guys. So today is Saturday, and my goal today is just to really clean my room, and I'll show you kind of what it looks like because it's disgusting. And then tomorrow is gonna be like my homework day, but I can't do homework in a messy room. So today I just want to clean. It also will like de-stress me. That way I can like go hang out with friends and not feel guilty or anything. So I'm gonna show you guys quickly what my room looks like. So this is my desk right now. I'm watching YouTube videos. It's horribly messy. Literally my room is so disgusting. I'm cringing showing you guys this. I haven't made my bed all week. There's like clothes, and then I have to do my laundry. So yeah, that's just a realistic view of what it's like. I am never home on the weekdays. Like Monday through Wednesday, I'm at school from, like, I leave my house at 6 a.m. from school and I get home at like 6:30 p.m. And then I like come home. I'll literally just like change into pajamas, take my makeup off, and like lay in bed for an hour and then sleep. And then so Thursdays and Fridays are pretty similar too, but it's just annoying having a messy room, so I need to clean it up. And last week was really stressful in general because I had an exam in my organic chemistry class and I had an exam in my bio class, and now I know how to study for biology. I did not know how to study for biology previous to the test, but now I know what I need to be doing for that class. I know how I can like change up some of my little study habits to make studying for it easier, but yeah. I feel so much better. I obviously took my makeup off. I'm gonna show you what my room looks like now. It's obviously not done, but just so you guys can see like how I like to keep my room clean. So here's my desk. As you can tell, I like vacuumed and stuff, but here's my here's my desk when it's clean. I just have my Beats charging, and that's why the case is there, and that's why the charger is there, but usually my phone charger would be plugged in. But my Beats are charging right now because they died last week. So I basically just cleaned off. I have to clean that. I haven't cleaned that yet, but I basically just like wiped my desk off and then just reorganized it so it looks very, clean. I cleaned and organized my little bookshelf. I'm bringing my coffee cup downstairs, that's why it's right there. As you can see, it's all beautifully vacuumed. My bed, I am washing the sheets and stuff, so that's why all my bed stuff is right there. And then I cleaned this, and then I fixed my closet, and I hung up. Basically, you guys will see the little montage, obviously, but I hung up all my jackets and sweaters that I either didn't wear or they don't really need to be washed because I only wore them once. Like this Adidas sweatshirt, like it's clean. I literally wore it one day, so I don't want to wash it because it doesn't need to be cleaned every time I wear it. But yeah, usually like my big jackets, like outerwear jackets, I'll clean them like once or twice, like right before, like probably like mid winter fall season, and then at the end of the season when I'm starting to wear like warmer, like cooler like clothes for warmer weather again, then I'll clean them all at the end of the season. But yeah, they're like fine now, so I basically just rehung those up and put all of like my other clothes in the wash. I have a marshmallow, what is that, or vanilla pumpkin marshmallow, and then sweater weather burning because my room smells beautiful right now. And yeah, so basically I am waiting for my clothes. I have 2 loads of laundry. The first load is just my clothes washing, then I have to put those in the dryer, and then I have to wash all of my towels in my bathroom and then my sheets. And then after all of that is done, I'm going to Portland with my friend. I live in Vancouver, Washington, so Portland is like a 10-minute drive from where I live, but my friend is going to a dealership because she's looking at a car, so if I remember, I'll put clips from that in here. So we're probably gonna do that, and then me and her might hang out a little bit more after that, or I don't know. I like hanging out with friends on the weekends, but at the same time, it's like I'm so insanely busy during the week that, like, in my perfect world, I don't want to do anything on the weekends. But usually Saturday night I'll do something, and then Sunday I usually will just spend the whole day doing homework and just making sure I'm, like, prepared for the week. I'm actually really glad that I'm doing my laundry today. I usually honestly like procrastinate and don't clean until Sunday, but last Sunday I had a study group. And then right after my study group, I went to my friend's house, and then I was with her until, like, 10 p.m. or something, and then I came home and, like, had to sleep because I was already, like, running late because I have to be in bed by, like, 9, or else I'm not going to get enough sleep because I have to wake up so early. And so I didn't get anything done last Sunday. That's why my, like, room was such a mess because I didn't clean it last week, and I didn't do my laundry last week, so my room was just not looking its hottest. So, yeah, I don't want that to happen this week, so that's why I'm cleaning it. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm probably gonna have a bagel right now because that sounds a bomb. I love bagels so much. But yeah, and I'm just watching a Gen X Pen YouTube video while I am gonna munch on my bagel and change into clothes. I'm probably just gonna wear this sweatshirt and some leggings because I feel like not changing. But yeah, vlog.
Wow.
Hi.
Hello, mate.
So I just finished doing my makeup. I didn't do anything too intense, but I like doing my makeup a little bit on the weekends just because during the school week I could not be bothered to do my makeup, so I don't really try. So on the weekends I like to. Right now I just edited like the first 6 minutes of this video, everything up until this clip, and I'll show you. So I basically just edited the first 6 minutes of this video. I'm gonna leave my house probably in like 20 minutes to go meet my friend to go to a car dealership, and then I think we're gonna get lunch, and I think that's about it. And then hopefully I think I'm coming home after that. I don't know, we'll see, but that's the plan. And they gave us free coffee and free cookies, and it's really happy. Taking my new car home. Where's my phone? In my lap. Say hi to my vlog.
No, I'm stealing your food.
It looks really unappetizing, so we're just not gonna look at
You're
my
not
food.
putting this on your vlog, Maddie.
Yes, I am.
I put too much sauce in my rice.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna say anything, but I saw you just like dumping the teriyaki sauce, and I was like, "You good?"
You know what? I like my shit drenched. Stop, I'm shy.
I just wanna show
Can you put one on?
Oh, he's gross. Yes.
I have a 10-second timer going. Oh,
Getting board games because we're gonna play games. Ew, I don't want the brown one. Okay, wait. There's a timer. Hold on. There's people coming and I'm hella embarrassed. Just press the button. Oh fuck. Okay, so we're getting quarter life crisis, and then we're getting what do you meme? And then the what do you meme adult expansion pack.
He hates
and
us.
We're getting hamster socks.
Oh my god.
And we're gonna
Please
play
look
with
at these
hamsters.
hamster socks.
Look how cute. Oh, those are
Oh.
cat socks. I love those ones. The hamster socks. Aren't they cute?
I
Heck
can't
yeah.
hold all of this.
You guys looking for denim?
Say hi! Say
Denim?
hi to my vlog! Say hi to my vlog! Say hi to
Plaid?
my vlog!
Like plaid? Hi. Maybe.
Say hi to YouTube!
Bro, cause I'm dead. I'm dead. Yeah,
Oh. Ready?
Good morning. Today's Sunday, October 20th. I low-key just woke up. It's noon. I was up pretty late last night. I came home at like 3, slept my little heart out. Now I'm just drinking my coffee and finishing up my laundry from yesterday. I left and I had my clothes dry, but I still have to dry on my sheets, so I'm doing that right now. And then I'm gonna put everything away. I'm gonna work on some homework. I have a couple things that I need to do. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's honestly been like a really fun weekend. I just want to like chill today. I'm honestly probably just gonna put my laundry away, do my homework, and then just like lay in bed, watch Netflix, and then go to sleep. And I have a lot of more cleaning that I need to do today too, so I'm probably gonna do my homework right now or do part of my homework right now and then clean and then finish homework and then just get ready for tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I mean, it's going to be pretty repetitive. I'm basically doing the same thing I did yesterday, but thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I am going to vlog next week. I have to set reminders on my phone because I forget really easily because I can get really stressed out, and I'm not that great at managing my stress yet, but yeah, I really want to do a week in my life next week, so I'm going to try and do that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every single time I post. Leave a like and comment down below something that you're loving so far about the school year. Bye, guys.